Invasive bamboo. What's the harm? Bamboo is an invasive species, which means that it is not originally from the natural ecosystem of Virginia. Although bamboo is invasive, it does provide habitats for animals living in its community. However, bamboo when planted is nearly impossible to remove, grows very quickly, and prevents native wildlife from growing in that area. And it's a whole forest of bamboo. It's really thick, hard. They have a whole area with nothing but bamboo. Small, skinny bamboo. That's a nice sized piece of bamboo there. Yeah.